So hello guys, this is Shubham Bhardwaj. Welcome back with another video of Salesforce Geek channel. So guys, as I promised, I'm come back with another video of web to lead form, but this time with reCAPTCHA option. Like currently in my web to lead form, I don't have any reCAPTCHA option over there, and yes, I changed the custom CSS of this form, because in the earlier video you saw another kind of CSS. So I will also let you know like how I change it. So for that, move back to the setup and see how to create a web to lead form with reCAPTCHA. So first of all, we have to move into quick find and type web to lead, and after that click on web to lead option. And as you see, there is this kind of layout, and after that you have to simply click on edit and make sure that this option is selected. Require reCAPTCHA verification if you want to use reCAPTCHA option in your form, and simply save it. After that, you have to simply click on create web to lead form. Fields in your web to lead form, so I basically simply use remove these three fields, which is state, city and company, and add phone and let's say website to my web to lead form. Oops, let's remove again. Yeah, done. And now as you see, I am having 5 fields now, and let's set a return URL, which is when I click on submit, it will redirect me to the particular website. The URL basically I am providing here, so simply I am providing my website URL in this. Now you have to provide the reCAPTCHA key API key pair. So let's see how to create a reCAPTCHA API key pair for your website. Like as I am having currently salesforcegeek.in, so let's say how to create a new API key pair. So first of all, you have to click on new tab and simply type here google.com reCAPTCHA/admin/create and go to it. After that, you have to simply provide the label for your you have to register your website over here. Simply you have to provide label for that. So I give Salesforce Geek here. After that, you have to simply choose reCAPTCHA type. So I am choosing reCAPTCHA v2, as I think this is only capable with the web to lead form, so I simply choose it here, and I am not a robot tick box over there. Now I have to add my domain here. So in when I call domain, so you don't have to use any extension and the protocol and www. You have to simply type the Salesforce geek.in, that's it. And after that, you have to simply click on this checkbox, accept the reCAPTCHA terms of services, which is by Google, and after that you have to simply submit your website. So as you see, I am having a copy site key and copy secret key. So simply let's copy both of them into a sticky note, and so I copied down both. So after that, what I have to do, simply go back to the web to lead form and click on this search icon, and here I am creating new API key pair, and let's say name Salesforce Geek API. After that, I have to simply paste my APIs here, or secret keys or site key here. Simply I copy, and after that simply copy the secret key and simply click on save. As you see, Salesforce Geek API is automatically populated over there. Now what I have to do, I have to simply click on generate. So now as you see, the form is already ready. Now what I have to do, I have to simply copy it down, and for the customization purpose I simply use Sublime Text Editor, and let's create a new file over there. As you see, we are having a lot of changes in our web to lead form because of API key pair and reCAPTCHA option. So I simply make changes to my earlier form which I created here. Basically this is just I add custom CSS to it, and I will let you know what are the changes I am making in this form. So basically in this we don't have this two script tags. So firstly we have to copy them and paste it into the head, like here. So I simply paste both of the script tags here. After that what I have to do, let's say I have to do in form action, it's all okay, it's like earlier. Now you will see a hidden input type, so I simply copy it down and use it in my form where I am having other two hidden fields. So let's say here, so it's all okay, looking good. After that what I have to do, I have to simply copy this one which is for Google API, where you have to tick the checkbox over Google reCAPTCHA option. Simply copy this div and paste it below the just above the submit option, and simply save this form and Control A C. Now what we have to do, simply go to our website admin panel, let's say admin, WP admin. Now I have to provide simply login into our WordPress website, and let's say go to the pages, and in contact me form click on edit, and now go to text. So basically I select all and paste it, simply update and preview changes. So as you see, we are having now a reCAPTCHA option over there. So let's try it whether it works or not. So for your surety, I will let you know that there is currently one lead, and let's refresh it to show you that there is already one lead in my org. Which is today's for the list view I choose today's leads and pin it. Now let's move to the website and simply test it down. So I click on name, let's change the last name to test my form. Now simply provide email and website, let's say youtube.salesforcegeek. After that we have to simply click on I am not a robot and simply submit it. So as you see, it will redirect to my website, because I am forgetting to change the URL in my code, which is this. So if I change this to my website, it will redirect me to my website, so no problem here. So for now, let's check whether it works or not. Refresh it. So as you see, lead is already created in my org. So basically what this reCAPTCHA option do, like why we use it. So basically it will stop the spamming from your website. Suppose if someone is using bots to your website and make your form fillable again and again, so illegal one. So basically this is the use of the reCAPTCHA to. As of now, today we are all good, and hope you like this video. And if you are interested to join our Telegram channel, so you can join from in our Telegram channel. We are pasting a lot of good stuff, and so if you want to join, you can surely join. All the links are below in the description box of our channel. You can also like this video. Thank you.